If you don't know how to wine, I can teach you. Come on the stage. Somebody put her on the stage. I don't believe you for some reason. Once you're at the front of the stage, I feel like you're trying to trick me. You don't know how to wine? Well, this one is very easy. First thing, disclaimer. Do you have any sort of problem with your knee? Any problem with your knee? All right. Now I want you to do as this song says. When it starts playing, I want you to just whine and go all the way down. Drop the song. Oh yeah, well, I get in the place. Hold up. This is Track Trailer. Come here. Come here. This is Track Trailer. Do you know how to run? Watch your nose.
We got that one in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.